Hi friends, so this is our second video. So here we will learn how like dashboard look like Fortigate and how we can utilize this Fortigate dashboard to have a look on that. So this is my little topology. So I have accessed this Fortigate from here GUI. So as yesterday I told you, like we get that interface IP and we did GUI access. So if you will see, uh, I taken that CLI, and in the CLI I check that IP, get system interface. So here get the IP from here. We'll see that IP we are getting from DSCP, from one of our like laptop IP. So that IP I took that GUI access. So when we take that access, when we will log in, it will ask admin and admin password, whatever password you will set. You can like default it will be admin and none password. So first point of view will be that this look like, and this is our dashboard. Under dashboard you will see multiple things like here widgets. So like system information, license information, and everything you will see here. So whatever you want here, like memory, CPU utilization, and system information, and sometime we require that HA status information that we like put here. If we want to remove anything, we can simply like click here and remove. It will remove from our dashboard. Okay. So if we want to like put anything here, from here we can like it will be visual, what is needed for us to troubleshoot or have to have a eye on that, we like add here. So like if you want to add anything, you can just select here, and from here like you can get everything whatever you want to put on top. So suppose if I need that routing thing, I will just click here, and here it will take a static and dynamic both, and here you can click add widget. So when you click add widget, it will show here. If you will see, that routing information is visible. So as of now, like we have OSPF and static route and connected route. If you want, you can click here. It will show everything here. So we have like a static route here, and we have OSPF LAN route. Here we have neighbor, and these are the connected route here interfaces. So like that, you can like see anything you want. You can put it on the dashboard, so you can it will be visible to you. So like if you want to monitor the bandwidth, you can do that same thing. So I if I will do some ping or something, it will show the bandwidth here. It will show the bandwidth that like traffic, it will show here. So you can see like traffic will be visible here. So if you want anything monitor, you can put it here, and you can it will be the visible when you will log in on this dashboard. You can also create the like one visit based name. So for that you can just click here. It will just ask create name. You can put routing or anything whatever you name want, you can put here. Like if you want log, you can put that log. Under that you can just add a visit, and here in visit, if you will see, we have that event log, top event log. You can add this one, and you will click here. Once you click, it will be done, and top log will be generated here. If you will change anything, it will be visible here. Suppose if I will change anything, it will show there, and also in log event. Okay. So it is good to have a visibility of everything from here. Okay. And from the dashboard you can monitor everything. So here you will see a chase status and all, and that's it. And dashboard is simple. You can just add widget and remove widget whatever you want. Thank you for watching.